Unity. Pag ginambag natin na unity, may magkakaisa. Okay. In this group, this lead.
A paragraph has unity when all the sentences support a single idea. The paragraph must have one controlling idea in the topic sentence. Otherwise, the paragraph loses focus. The supporting sentences must support explain the controlling idea with examples, details, steps, or conditions. Otherwise, the paragraph will not be about one single idea. The concluding sentence should state the idea in the topic sentence. Otherwise, the main idea will not be.
Sige, kung ang isang paragraph, one controlling idea, may unity. Pero, in a paragraph, kung lain naman ang imong topic, that is another paragraph. So, dapat, hindi ka mag-watch topic. Kasi guys, kung diyan ka mag-aw, kung hindi mo na galing ang topic, hindi mo na element. Start with the topic sentence. The unified around the one idea. Okay, this group. Why this paragraph has no unity? Okay, paper.
Example, no unity. The start of this paragraph is incorrect. Sunday is my favorite day because I can watch football with my dad. There are other sports and other things to watch on TV. The second sentence differs from the main topic. How watching football with dad makes Sunday your favorite day.
Sige, di na nag-separate. There are other sports on. Okay, anong topic? Sunday, which is watching football with his dad. Okay, don't include unrelated topics. And there are other sports. Okay. Or some days when the nasa training home from work and after a break.